Okay, do it again. You got in the way. Here, wait. Okay, do it now. Hit him by the nose. Do it again. Hit him on the nose.
I can't go near his nose.
Let me try. And look, these other sheep going, hey, what are you doing? Oh.
There you go.
Okay, come on.